let me down. Let me down.
What's going on, guys? It's me, Gaming Fan. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing fine. And without further ado, let's jump into a video. But before that, if you enjoy this video, please don't forget to leave a like down below. And while you're there, do subscribe. I really need your support. By the way, thank you for that 50 subscribers. Yeah, I know I am having 63 or something. But we need more. We need more. We need more. So don't forget to subscribe if you don't have already. And if you can, make another account, subscribe, just like you did for PewDiePie. Pochinki is 3. If you played the Erangel map in Pubg enough, there's no need to introduce what Pochinki is. The location of the map has become famous due to it being in the middle and having good hiding spots, and being one of the most popular places to land. But did you know that there are several rural localities in Russia named Pochinki? And that Yasnaya Polyana, another famous spot on the map, is a writer's house museum, and also the former house of famous author Leo Tolstoy. Guess there is more reality to PUBG than needs to teach. Winner winner chicken dinner. We all crave for the phrase winner winner chicken dinner to appear on our screens, announcing our triumph in PUBG. But the phrase wasn't invented by the game or its creator. It is said during the Great Depression, a period in the 1930s of economic crisis when people used to gamble. If they played with money and won, they could afford a chicken for dinner. With time, the phrase caught on and became what it is today. Fortunately, we don't have to gamble to get the chicken dinner for ourselves. We just need the required skills for it.
Ja, misschien links nog uit, dus ik zou niet...
Nee, maar je ziet wel bergen. Je ziet de push.
Ik ook heel zeker. Nee, ik heb gewoon niks gegooid, zeg jongen, gewoon wild.
Ja, maar ik wou samen pushen, man.
Nee, niks gegooid.
Ik weet het.
Dat was het, hè? Maar dat was een lijkje op mij. Die weten mij zijn, dus de beat moet jij gewoon kunnen zien dat je op mij pieken.
Yep.
Want hij moet al lopen, hè.
Maar gaan die pieken? Dat is de vraag.
Ja, ik ga lopen, het moet. Die heeft mij knocked. Ja, schiet hem. Fucking noobs!
Advertisement. The parent company of PUBG for PC and consoles, Bluehole Corporation, didn't spend any money on advertising the game. It is claimed to be because the word of mouth was so strong that they didn't need to. On the other hand, PUBG Mobile is one of the first mobile games to have its advertisements broadcasted on the television in India. This should give you an idea of how popular the game really is. I will give you some examples for it. If you guys didn't know, PUBG can actually ban you for 100 years. Cheating is never tolerated anywhere in the world. PUBG is the same, as many people who allegedly cheat in the game have been banned for as much as 100 years. According to the company, cheating is defined as using inappropriate programs, bug abuse, etc., and can result in a permanent ban. So if you get banned for 100 years, make sure your grandchild takes home the chicken dinner for you. Most simultaneously played game. PUBG holds the world record for the most simultaneously played game of all time. In December 2017, the game hit 3,106,358 people playing in the game simultaneously. Interestingly, the game broke its own record it made in September the same year. Even today, PUBG is in the top 5 most played game by current count. Now enjoy the clip I'm going to show you guys.